the winds are really starting to get intense. I think we're gonna see at least one tree branch fall within the next half hour to an hour, because they're gonna be rapidly increasing. Right now, within the hour, it's gone from, I think, 20-mile-an-hour wind gusts to 35, and that's only increasing every single minute. I think within a half hour, we'll be up to 40, possibly even 45. The anemometer is getting an absolute workout right now. Here, let me extend this to show you it better. You can see the rain way off in the distance there. I'm starting to get a drizzle. You can see how it just kind of like drops into like a ball of gray. That's all the rain. Yeah, it's starting to rain a bit more and more. You can see it probably on the lens. Might even be able to hear it. Maybe not quite yet, but I'm gonna get downboard on here soon, but I really don't care. My shirt is starting to take a little bit. Clouds look really cool. One of these tree branches is gonna fall soon. It is really, really, really cold. Doesn't look that windy, but I promise you it is. That was probably like a 40-mile-an-hour wind gust. Nothing's blown down yet. I'm sure somewhere something's blown down though. The leaves are trying to attack. Got a whole ambush of them back there. I want to see if I can get another one of these things on camera. Okay, it's several hours later. Not sure if these are mammatus clouds or not. I don't know if they are. I don't think they are. But nevertheless, they are extremely pretty. The wind died down for like 2.5 hours, and then it really just picked up again. You can see all that rain to the south. Didn't even bother looking straight up, but it is even prettier. There's gusts of 35 to 40 miles an hour again, so that's only increasing even more rapidly than it was this morning. That just looks crazy. Just got under a special weather statement for 50 to 55 mile an hour wind gusts. And I mean, it's looking pretty intense over velocity. So I'm waiting for that main gust front to come in, and I think that's when it's really about to get real. But if you look off in the distance, you can kind of see I'm all the way back there. I gotta get really close to the GoPro to even talk, because I'm sure this wind is like extremely loud. Oh my god! Look at how fast the clouds are moving. You can see the dark, it's just coming in so fast. Oh my god. Yeah, they're coming in really fast. Holy crap. Oh my god. Somehow no tree branches have fallen yet. Just past those low-hanging clouds, there's going to be tons of rain that's going to just dump everything on us. It's going to be raining in buckets. windy. That was probably like a 30, maybe even 40-mile-an-hour wind gust. That thing's measuring it. It's just I have to be inside to read it. It's gonna be a big old downpour, and then it's gonna go to a light rain. Then hopefully around sunset there will be Mattis clouds. They're moving so fast. Oh my god. I think the special weather statement said that these were moving northeast at 70 miles an hour, which is extremely fast. It's getting an absolute workout. It's been getting a workout for the past 10-15 hours. You know, the special weather statement recommends that you stay inside, but I really don't care. You know, my only concern is one of those tree branches falling on me, but I don't think winds are so strong to blow over a giant tree branch that could injure me. So the view is incredible, but like so windy. Might actually be a shelf cloud on that thing. I really can't see it that well though, but like over there it kind of looks like one. It's showing up a lot better on the GoPro. For me, it literally just looks like a really dark gray blob. But like you can see like all of that's the curtain array, and then those are the clouds. For me, it's literally all just the same color, especially over there. If you look extremely close over there, at least in real life, you can see just the curtains of rain. They're moving so fast towards us. Can't see it from here because, well, they're not past us. Those are technically past us, but those aren't coming at us. These are. Cousin just texted me. He said his power went out. I don't know if we've lost power or not yet, but I wouldn't be surprised if we do. It's a pretty gnarly storm. Look, but my radar app's not working because I'm a couple hundred yards from the house. Some beautiful clouds though. Oh, you can see just like this shaft of rain. Why is everything way in their house? My neighbors down there are now. These neighbors are. Look at that view of it. That's so pretty, dude. Oh my god. This storm is like pissed off. Look at that up there. Like this is a very pretty storm, but it's very terrifying. It is mean. It is mad. Past the main gust front, that means I'm gonna get in before I get absolutely downpoured on. But I'm gonna try and capture the rain curtains coming through. Once they get to like over there or something, there's a power line that's gonna behind that thingy. Once I see that, then once I see the rain over there, then I'm just gonna run in. Also, it's not a shelf cloud. It's just a cumulus. Man. It is so dark here. Holy crap. Like, my GoPro doesn't pick it up, but it is pitch black. The gust front's coming in. Let's go. Oh my god. Yeah, it's starting to rain. It's gonna get absolutely downpouring here in a second. Holy crap. Oh. Oh, I'm getting soaked, man. Holy crap. I wouldn't be standing out here, but I've not seen any lightning yet, so fine. Oh. My glasses are completely covered in rain. You can barely see, but it's so fun. I love storms, man. Holy crap. We'll get out here. You know, it's not as bad as I thought. The gust front and the amount of rain. I'm gonna say that, and then we're just gonna get a downburst on us, I swear. But I really don't know. Could be wrong. Even these power lines, they've not fallen. No tree branches have fallen yet, so that's good. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Look at the trees. Hold up, I'm gonna get away from them. I love this. Oh my lord! We're gonna see something fall here any second, I can guarantee you it. Dang, that wasn't as bad as I thought. It's still pretty windy up there. Now my hair is crazy. No, there was not that much rain. Now we just gotta deal with even more powerful winds. Crazy, man. It's picking up leaves. Let me catch one. Oh, dang. Please, give me another one. Give me another opportunity to catch one. So I can redeem myself. Oh. Right this one. Oh my God. It's giving me another opportunity. Come on. Man, I suck at this. Oh no. No. Give me one. Yes. No. Oh. Okay, this one's the one. This one? No. I swear to God. None of them are the one. You're the one. No. I touched it. Yeah. That one hit my head. Oh no! I had the one on my palm. I can do this. I don't know why I went for that one. That was a stupid idea. I am really surprised no tree limbs have fallen. Oh, there was one. Small one, but still. Alright, I'll turn it off if anything interesting starts happening. Or I'm gonna turn it back on. Oh my God, that's pretty. Meanwhile, the winds are like 50 miles an hour just 10 feet above me. And the anemometer was gonna absolute, oh my God. It's not, it like looks like it's not moving. My God. See the tops of the other storms all the way off in the distance there. The sun is kind of blinding. see the sheets of rain again. They're moving in extremely fast. Holy crap. Wow. I think you can see that over the GoPro generally, since the sun is like really just reflecting at you. Oh. It's gonna get breezy again, I can guarantee you that. Give it 10 seconds. Maybe it's just gonna be super rainy, I don't know. This rain hurts, it feels like hail. Ow. Bro, why? Oh, keep getting in my mouth. I want to drink your liquids, Mother Nature. Oh, that feels like hail. Oh my god. Oh, oh, we're getting downpoured on. Yep, we're getting downpoured on. Oh, on the run. Oh my lord. Get behind something, man. Get behind the trees. Somewhere where the rain isn't gonna be like bullets. My lord. It is a beautiful sunset though. Alright, I think this is gonna be the end of the video unless my maddest clouds come out. But I have to go eat dinner, so see y'all. Also, just real quick, look at the rain whipping across the road. Dude, that one actually felt like a bullet. Oh my god. Soaked. Just had a 46-mile-an-hour wind gust. Holy crap. Yeah. I kind of want to go out there. But my phone's only at 4%. Hang on, let me change the battery real quick. Doesn't look like anything fell. We got a rainbow forming though. Holy crap, that was a violent wind gust. I didn't get it all on camera. That like shook the windows or something. I don't even know. Yeah, that's pretty. That is the pretty part of the storm. Everything else is gnarly, like back there. That just, oh my god, that's a beautiful turquoise. Wow. This is pretty. That other stuff, nasty. But wow. I'm actually gonna step away from the trees just in case something lands on me. I don't think something will, but like a downburst. Oh my god, that the streak right there. That is heavy rain. I can't tell if that's blue skies or clouds. It's my god, that's beautiful though. So I'm out here again. Got my flashlight on my walkie-talkie, which I can play the weather channel on. I just turn it all the way up, and then hit mode.
Megahertz. Here is the forecast for the Saginaw Valley.
Oh, this is
Wind
us.
advisory in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. Tonight, windy. Much cooler. Partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour, diminishing to 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour after midnight. Sunday, partly cloudy in the morning. Highs in the lower 60s. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. 20 miles per hour.
I'm stupid.
And now the forecast for Flint and vicinity. Wind advisory in effect until 9 p.m. this evening.
Alright, that's not us, so. Oh, look at the moon though, that's really cool. Still no tree damage, nowhere. I can see better than you guys can now. That moon is so pretty. It's not even out fully, it's literally covered by clouds, but it just looks so cool. Some of these wind gusts are pretty intense, and I'm surprised that we've not had at least one tree branch fall down. Maybe by morning there will be one or two, but nothing yet. But I think this might be the end of the video. Oh my god, I got pushed back. That was a standstill. I think this might be the end of the video just because it's getting dark and there's not really much else to do when it's dark. Unless some really big windstorm happens like in the middle of the night or like at 9, whenever they peak, then I might continue rolling, but other than that, I think I'm done because, I don't know. This is the same storm system that brought some pretty substantial tornadoes to the south. I might actually have a video on that soon, but I might do that on Sunday. I might film it. I don't know when this one's coming out and when that one's coming out, but I will do a video on that tornado outbreak. Because it was like December 10th in a way, just November 4th. It's now November 5th, and this is the same storm system. So now it was into a line, and then it hit us. It's bringing all these winds. But anyway, see you guys in the next video. Oh my god, that tree branch is really swaying. That one might be the only one to fall. But anyway, see ya. God, I also have to get the mail. It's all gonna get blown around. So many political ads and Target ads. I just can't grab it all. I think that's it. Alright. Don't want to lose any. Alright. I think I'm fine now. Alright. Now, I'll see y'all. You know, I keep saying that I'm gonna end it, but I really don't know if I am. Because apparently our neighbors just said that literally just down the road, there's an entire like power line down or something. We've not lost power, but it's a safety hazard because it's like generally just near the road. Actually, they might be shining their light on it. Yeah, you can see it. Just down there, it's like completely toppled. But it's still going, it's still sending electricity. Because the cords aren't broken, but the entire like line is snapped. So it's a safety hazard if that breaks. So I think they did call in Consumers Energy or whatever, and they should be coming out to fix it. I'm not seeing any storm damage for us here, which really surprises me because we have gotten some pretty intense wind gusts. Maybe by morning it will show something. I mean, if just down there there's a power line down, I mean, there's got to be something. Maybe I'm just missing it. I'm probably just missing it. I really don't know. I have my flashlight on, I'm scanning the ground. I don't know how well it is showing up over the GoPro. It doesn't look like it's showing up that well. But here, it's just blinding you, but it's my walkie-talkie again. But if any other powerful wind gusts happen, then I'll come out here and look for more damage. But anyway, if nothing else happens this time,